I was at a point where I wanted to leave this area, and now that things are changing, I really, really feel much more secure. At the end of the day, after I've worked, I leave all my troubles, I walk through the door, it's just me and my kids. I'm very happy that me and my kids are here seeing the new Amani Place.
The exciting part about what happened in Amani Place is it's transformed because physical space, it makes you think about what is possible. And it gives you a brighter future.
So our ultimate goal was to reduce the carbon footprint through the renovation. And we did this by providing new HVAC units, energy efficient units, to give the residents access to a healthier lifestyle. We have a state-of-the-art workout facility. We also have the community garden, so now they can grow fresh fruits and vegetables. We're hoping that we're able to harvest greens and spinach for everyone on the property to enjoy. We're creating an environment where they feel like they can thrive in and outside of their unit on the property.
Prior to renovation, things were kind of crazy over here. It wasn't really safe for the children to play outside. It's a comfort to know that you can just sit and watch them from the porch. You can go outside and it's just a breath of fresh air, more so than what it was before.
If they rename their community to say, it's not about what it used to be, it's about the future, and the future is going to be a peaceful future. If they did that, that tells you that the sense of community has really gone up a notch.
Now we're more engaging than ever with each other. The family nights that we have here really bring a lot of parents together that never usually used to talk before.
We get to interact with the residents daily. We get to plan events for them. So when I think of resident services, I think of excitement when you come to work, that you're assisting residents, that you're leaving an impact. And I think that's the goal.
All those things that bring people together and give them service, that's what both healthy housing and green are all about. At the end of the day, it benefits one of those 10 million people that live in the 10 million apartments that we've financed over the last 30 plus years.
People took the time to come over to formerly Edgewood, now Amani Place, to renovate it, change it, being a resident and just being a mom. I'm so pleased. The change has been beautiful. The community as a whole is thankful. We feel like we're cared about now, honestly. Home is everything. Home is the safest place to be now.